Okay guys, taking a walk down Avenida Mediterranea now. Seafront just down here, got Hotel Symbol just there. Hotel Bolroy just there as well. Very nice hotel apparently. Very nice indeed. And the Tetris apartment. Well, it literally looks like a shape of Tetris, don't it?
I've never noticed that before.
The other time when I mentioned about it, Dad started going off about the completely wrong game. I think somehow he ended up talking about Mortal Kombat, I think.
That's stupid.
A completely different game to Tetris. But I mean, I guess like, he is an old man, so technology like that way far out of his understanding. Sorry Mike if you're watching anyhow. I do love you mate. Anyway, Avenida Mediterranea, tons of bars, cafes, restaurants, shops, and of course, Cumpleaños bowling. Haven't been bowling since God knows when, God. I bet it's expensive though as well, like.
Probably.
I think last time I went bowling it was like about 40 quid for just like 3 people to have a game, something like that. So I don't know, but yeah. Got of course the arcade as well. So guess it does come to prove Benidorm's like Blackpool, because we also do have the world famous coin pusher machines like you'll see in a Blackpool arcade, but instead of 2 cents, I mean 2p or 10p, it's 2 cents or 10 cents. Then the fairground that is shut more times than it is open, unbelievably. Yeah, no idea when they ever open as well, like there's no sort of knowledge or times when they open. Probably why they don't really get too busy. I mean, biggest opportunity they could have had, right, is when the Sidemen first came to Benidorm. They could have had the Sidemen filming in there, filming in the fairground, promoting it, and well, I'm pretty sure Spanish people know who the Sidemen are as well. I mean, they're pretty big YouTube groups, so surely like the Sidemen filming in there. I mean, yeah, I know it were only Ethan, Harry and Vic. Not really the biggest names of the Sidemen, but still Sidemen nonetheless. Like surely them filming in there doing a quick film would have at least done them good, but no, they were shut. Tons of shops on there. Of course, down on the Med, you can get all your buses as well. From what I remember, the number 2, the number 3, the 10, the number 1, I think, and the open top tour bus, I think, as well. Oh. Right, hang on. So, slight problem. Nearing the shop and I ain't done my time yet.
Okay.
No, head straight on down here. Because I filmed down from recently. Are you desperate for a drink?
No, I'll be alright.
Leave it till we get yam down or get something out of America. And yeah, sorry about that, guys. Seems a bit quieter today compared to that when we did the course after Gay Pride Parade the other weekend. Like we're that the weekend. No, it's been a week since we had Pride Parade, ain't it? God's sake. I will say that, like, lately it just seems like weeks, months, years even have just been flying by, and it is scary. I mean, it's hard to believe that next year Mike will be 65 years old. Yeah. 65 years old, guys. I'll be 25 years old. Benidorm Scooter Sue will be 99. Only joking. How old will you be next year, Mum?
Next year, 59. I've still got this year, yeah.
Jesus. Oh yeah, she's still got a birthday this year coming up, God. But I mean, yeah, the thing is though, that I'm trying to get at is just how fast everything's gone by. I mean, don't seem so long ago that we were preparing for fancy dress day last year, and like couple months time that'll be here again. Like, guess the end of the day, moral of the story is just enjoy life as it comes. Make every day worthwhile. Oh, thank God. Hotel Madeira Centro there. Beautiful hotel, guys. As well worth going up to the rooftop terrace bar. Anyway, hit the like, hit subscribe. See you next time.